Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and to this next episode on the black 16 valve Golf. So in the last one we managed to get the new section in on the rear quarter, so I just need to get that finished off now. So I'm just going to stick it on time lapse to do that, so it's not too boring for you, and then we can have a wee look and see what else we need to look at. Alright, well I finished that bit for now, so I just put a little bit of grey primer on it just to stop any flash rust. Obviously I'll need to sand it off when I come to fill it, and there's maybe a little bit more kind of sanding of or grinding of the metal to do, but I'll have a better idea when I actually come to start doing the filling. So I'll let you have a look and see how it is. So that's the piece in. Obviously it doesn't look great just now because you've got different gradients in the paint. Obviously that's where I've sanded down, so the paint there is thicker, and that's just metal above it, and the same over here as well. So basically what I'll be doing next is when I come to fill it, I'll sand it back again, make sure that I'm happy with how even it is and things like that, and then we can get the shape right, and just double check this as well. Maybe need to just take a little bit more off that, but that's the main part of it done just now, so that's great. So we can move on and see what else we need to do. I've just jacked the car up, and I saw a little bit here that looked a bit suspect. It doesn't look very good. It's hard to tell exactly how bad it is until you actually start digging away at it. So I'll grab a screwdriver or something, or maybe grab the grinder and take off the loose rust in paint and see if it's something that we need to weld or not. I suspect it probably will be, so let's find out. Yeah, it's needing some attention. So what I need to do is cut out this section here and weld in a new one. So there was some sill sections left from doing the blue one, so we might be lucky and have one that's going to mean that there's not too much fabrication to do. So I'll start by cutting it out and then we'll take it from there. I actually had a thought just before I cut it out that it was a good idea just to check if I had the right section, and I do. So what I'll probably do is just actually clamp it over and cut through them together, which means that you've then got the piece that's the right size. So I'll show you what I mean. So we've got this section here, so what I'll do is I'll cut it down a bit. Up here is okay and here's okay. So what I'll do is I'll cut it down a bit and then clamp it over that and then cut them both out together, and that should mean that we can then just move the old section away and the new one should go right onto it. So fingers crossed. new section there, so I'm happy with that. That's it's kind of hard to hold it with one hand, but yeah, I'm happy with that. That's fitting nice. I did notice that there's a bit of not so good metal in there, so what I'm going to do is just make a little piece to go there and a little piece to go in there inside, and that'll make that, you know, as strong as it was. So so I'll do that as well, but I'm going to stop there for today and have a wee tidy up, and we'll get back onto this on Monday. That was another good bit of progress today. It was good to get the bit on the rear quarter that we were working on finished, and good to address that bit on the sill as well. So shouldn't take too long to get that welded in and get the new little pieces made on Monday, and then we can have a look around the car and just double check if there's anything else that needs done. Those were the only two bits that I'd spotted, so I will have a look just to check if there's anything that we can see. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks for watching. If you did, then hit subscribe, hit thumbs up, and I'll see you on Monday.